Hi, and welcome to the Salesforce Alerts. So yesterday we have discussed about how to implement that radio button and checkbox, and how to fetch that checkbox, how to change the value of the checkbox. So today we'll learn about very interesting thing. This one is the button view. So we'll see that how the button click functionality works, how to call a function, how to listen the button values whenever a user click on that button. So let's get it on. So let's start our Enter Studio and just copy. Also, you can refer our website. It's Salesforce Dealers. So we have so many examples in there. So just copy paste and try it out. So let me just copy this one, and we'll discuss about this code. What this code does. So we copy that XML code. So we'll paste that code in here. So we can see that this one is automatically added. There's one button. So we have the button tag for creating a button. We have the ID. So every tag has they have a unique ID. So by using that ID, we can know that this button sends the data. This button should be implemented. This button needs to be data changed. So ID can be defined to the particular tag. ID is used to define that particular tag. So ID could not be same. That's a thing. And this is the width and height, as we have already discussed the match parent and wrap content. What we'll do, match parent will cover the whole area, wrap content will cover those area whichever the it depends on the content. So now we have the text, so it will be the button text, and we have the text color, the button text color. So this one is the match parent. If you will change to the wrap content, so it will cover those area, only the submit text, whichever the submit text is color, text that area. So you can also change the background color accent. So you can see that background color has been changed. Now this thing should be a logical thing. So you will need to create a function, and the function, whenever the button is clicked, so the function should be called. So we'll do that in Java section. This one is the logical thing. So we need whenever you tag, if we are creating any tags, like there is a tag, it's a button tag. You wanted to work on that button tag, we have to create a button object for that. So we have so many predefined classes there. They have the button class, and there we need to create a button object, and every object is associated to our tag ID. So we will set the tag ID by using find by ID. This one is the r there is a file dot id and dot the button submit, whatever the ID we have set it in our XML file. So R is their predefined file, and ID is the actually it returns that integer value. So let me show you that. By clicking on the control and click. So see that here we return. This one is the ID of this button, whichever we had defined in here. The R file, if you wanted to go to the R file, so this one should not be edit, because this one will do. So we could not open that file because this one is created by the Android Studio. They have this one is included whenever you download the Android Studio. So this one is included. So now this one is associated to our XML file button. I will going to create a button listener. Set on click listener and just on click. So we'll just set as a listener in from our website. Check the website how it's been done. Consider the button object has been we have already created. Now we have the button set on click listener and new dot view dot on click listener. So we just here write that new view dot click on listener. So automatically it will show that click dot listener. So it will be coming from the hint section. Just click and enter. So automatically add that on click. There is override functions there. So here for testing purpose, we'll write it. We'll just print we'll just print hello message. So yeah, one more thing I need to say that, so print things is not working. So if you wanted to see that in logcat or terminal, so you just need to write log.i. They have that class log.i. This one is the tag name and this one is the value messages. So tag is we'll say that on click button, and this one is the message hello. So we'll test in your emulator device. Let's run it. So install successfully. We can see that here. So we have the button in here. So it's just on click. So we'll say that logcat. Here you can see that on click button and hello. So number of times you click here, so it will automatically print in here. Click, print, click, click, click. You can see that here. Number of times you click, so automatically just so that in logcat. So this one is perfectly working. So here also we can change on click button, change the text data, also same the we can change the color of this text properties, also we can change the same we will do. So we will see the next lecture how this button click will affect how this button click can change the property of the text view and edit text, how to fetch the data from the edit text. We'll see the new amazing thing in the next lecture. So till then, bye bye, take care.